here. And the person we don't have is Todd. So Todd gets X. Go back, put X where Todd is. So Matt is 2X plus 20. Jeff then is, if Matt was 2X plus 20, then Jeff is half of that, which is X plus 10, right? And then James is just 3X. Okay, if the four brothers spent a total of this much, this is the total of that. This, they have it the same amount. That's why we put it equal to each other on both sides. Okay, this, because we have the total, we make it equal to 450. Let me see, let me get some more room. I'll write smaller, right? Okay, I'll write smaller. 450 equals, let's see, first, add them all up. First is 2X plus 20, right? 2X plus 20. The second one is X plus 10. The third one is 3X. The last one is just X. And all that equals to $450. We want to know how much they spent. So add them all up. 2, 3, plus another 3, 6, 7X. Plus 20 plus 10 is 30. That equals to 450. Minus 30. Minus 30. 7X equals to 420 divided by 7. X equals to 60. $60 belonged to Todd. How much did each brother spend? The brother well, let's say Todd spent how much did Todd spend? He's X. See Todd's X. $60. If Todd is 60 times 60 is 180. James spent $180. 60 plus 10 is 70. Jeff spent 70. And if this is 60 times 2 is 120 plus is 140, right? And Matt spent $140. Okay. This one here will definitely be on the next test. Not on this quiz, but the next test. I need to put this on there. Okay, 2 airlines offer special rate at your school Spanish club for a trip to Mexico City. Mexican Air offers a round trip of this much per person. Right. Okay, so write an equation for the total cost for each airline and define the variable. Okay, that's what we're doing. So first, Mexican Air. Per means times, okay? Times the number of people here. Mexican Air is 550. P is the number of people that's going. Equal, they want the total cost. C represents the total cost in dollar amount. Okay. Now, Fiesta Airlines offer a round trip of $250 per person, so 250 times the number of people. If the club agrees to pay a one-time group rate processing fee of $3,000. So fee is plus 3,000. So it's 250. I should have gave you more points. Per person, per means times. Per person plus the $300 in fee equals to the cost. Okay? If your club had 20 students who went and able to go on a trip to Mexico, who want and able to pay to go to a trip to Mexico City, which company would you spend? Okay, 20 students, the number of people. So let's do Mexican first. Air. Okay, multiply that together. Use a calculator here at 550 times 20. Not times 50, oh my God. There's 20 people going. $11,000. Okay, so how about for Fiesta? Fiesta is this equation here. 250 times the number of people. Number of people is 20 students, plus the processing fee of 3,300. Oh, I wrote it wrong. Okay, so let's use a calculator. 250 times 20 plus 3,300. 8,300 for 20 people. Who would you choose? I would choose Fiesta. I would choose Fiesta. Saves me almost $3,000. If the Spanish club raised $5,000 after selling fireworks during the 4th of July, how many students can go to the Mexico City, and which airline would be best to use? Okay, if you have $5,000, let's look at Mexican Air. How many people can go there if they charge $550 per person equals to the total cost? And let's say you want your total cost to be $5,000. Okay, 5,000 divided by 550. 9.09 people. So 9 people can go using Mexican Air. How about the other company? Okay, let's use green here. The other company is this. 250 people plus 3,300 equals the cost of 5,000, right? So it's minus 3,300. 5,000 minus 3,300. Okay, 250p equals 1,700 divided by 250 per person. get 6.8 people. Oh, definitely Mexican Air is cheaper. You get 9. Use Mexican Air because 9 students can go on the field trip, right? Instead of 6. Okay? Instead of 6, right? I'll put G. Alrighty.